My name is Shusaku Nakajima. I will talk about orange harvesting robot. This is my second time presentation because first time I did without video cameras. Thanks to your comment sheet, I understood some problems with my presentation. Thank you. Okay, let's start. First of all, I explain why we need orange harvesting robot. Harvesting is highest part of the total production cost of fresh fruits because it took much time and labor cost includes a machine is capable of solving this problem and can cut down costs. This picture doesn't have special meaning. I just want to relax. This figure shows the detail of orange harvesting robot. The arm is extended in front and behind. End effector picks oranges like this. These are end effectors and this is an orange. When the project is carried out in outdoor environment, several serious problems soon arose. This table shows that orange harvesting robot sometimes made miscount. False positive is that orange harvesting robot considered a single orange as more than one. It's 15%. And also, false negative is that orange harvesting robot considers more than one oranges as a single orange. It's 5%. Miscounting occurred when orange harvesting robot recognized something as an orange or fruits overlapped. I already showed this figure last time. This figure shows that wind and light condition had effect on harvesting. Percentage of heat is the rate of harvesting, and average time per orange is how much time orange harvesting robot took to harvest. Compare 1 with 3 and 2 with 4. We can easily understand wind and light prevented harvesting. Finally, conclusion. The project for orange harvesting robot is still a far-reaching goal because there are many problems. Decreasing force and working efficiently under real conditions is necessary for orange harvesting robot. I quoted some information from a book written by Professor Kondo and a thesis. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
Do you know how the farmers can harvest oranges in the US if they don't have this kind of robot?
I watched movies. It's my opinion. I think
Orange first. Take it easy. How about in Japan? How do they do harvest?
cut and bring market.
Oh, yeah. Only harvest operation. So cut and maybe very precisely cut the stem and then put into that container. How about in US? Your target is US R&D for this robot. If they don't have such a robot, do you know how to have the automation, automatic, some machines or even manual? The difference is size.
In US, the tree of orange is bigger than that of Japanese. So, if farmer doesn't have orange harvesting robot, they picked by using a long scissors.
Oh, long scissors like this. That's right. Not easy. Yeah, they need a ladder. You know ladder? Climbing up ladder. Some 3 poles, something. And another way is a shaker. So then, after shaking, all many fruits are dropped down. Then they pick apart all. That's a very heavy one. Any question?
Just an observation. This presentation was the following of your last presentation? Was the follow-up of your last presentation?
Yes.
This one?
I improved some problems.
About the same machine.
Yes, same machine.
Yeah. Maybe you should have better introduced even in this one the machine, because maybe someone was not here last time, so it was very hard to to understand this presentation. So maybe next time you should better introduce the machine, even if this is the second presentation about the same machine. Thank you.
Any suggestions?
I have one suggestion. While you were speaking or answering questions, it's too much to put your hands and touch your face like this.
Anything else? Okay, we have 2 minutes. Anyone from student? Okay, how long time necessary to pick one fruit by that robot?
It from 3 seconds to 10 seconds.
3 to 10 seconds.
Yes.
Then, okay. Then why they depends on the some weather?
First, wind. In the case of wind, orange harvesting robot detect the location of oranges, and after detecting, orange harvesting robot try to pick oranges. If wind blow and an orange is shaking, the location is different from first one. And one harvesting robot can't pick one.
How does it follow? If some moving foods, not easy. Robot also moving like this.
I don't understand. I don't have good answer, but according to this, orange harvesting robot can't follow the shaking orange.
Can't follow.
Yeah.
Cannot follow.
Cannot
Cannot
follow.
follow.
Cannot follow.
So it may fail. May fail. Can't harvest.
Yes. So it can can't harvest. Percentage of can't harvesting orange is 35%.
That's success rate.
Yes.
Then 65% is okay, even if they have a wind.
Oh, sorry. 20%. One is not window.
No wind.
No window
and
and no
wind.
windy condition.
Then
The
when there's a
percentage
windy
decrease
condition,
20%.
20%.
From 85 to 65. So orange harvesting road can 20% of food.
Decrease.
Yes.
That the success rate was decreased.
Decreased.
But even windy condition, 65% was success.
Yes, success.
So that means how do they success? Windy, so moving. More than 50% could do that.
Wind is not strong.
That's my curious. Okay, then fourth one is 52%.
Yes.
That is the lowest success rate.
Just decrease from 18.
Why so low?
Low sky angle is at sunrise and sunset.
Low sky angle means the sun setting.
When sunset or sunrise.
You mean that?
Yeah. The screen of orange harvesting robot is very bright or very black because of the light or something.
Maybe that expression is not appropriate. Low sky and maybe sunsetting time or sunrising time. Not easy. Yeah, anyway. It's okay.
What problem do you include in this presentation?
First time I I didn't include page number, and I didn't show devices because I thought this device is complicated, but many comment sheets suggest I should show that. I should. And include funny picture. Yeah. But what I want to say is there are many problems for rent harvesting robots. This point, I don't change this point.
Okay, any suggestions, comments? Okay, thank you very much.